In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to prototype in Figma, Smart Animate, Prototyping and Scrolls. We'll begin right inside your design file. To switch from designing to interaction work, open the right sidebar and move to the Prototype tab. This is where you'll wire up screens, define how they transition, and preview the results. To create a connection, select any layer or frame that you want to act as the hotspot. Then click and drag the blue circle that appears to the destination frame. This forms a link between the two. As soon as you make that connection, look to the Interaction Details panel. Here you'll choose what triggers the interaction and what action follows. Triggers define what starts it, like on click, on drag, or while hovering. Actions define what happens next, such as navigate to a frame, open overlay for modal style content, or scroll to a specific position on the page. Adjusting these thoughtfully helps your prototype feel natural and intentional. For smooth, polished transitions, enable Smart Animate in the Animation section of the Interaction Details panel. Smart Animate compares matching layers between frames and automatically animates changes in position, size, rotation, opacity, and fill. To get the best results, keep layer names and hierarchy consistent across frames so Figma can match them accurately. Fine-tune the motion by customizing the curve, like ease in, ease out, or linear, and set the duration to control how long the animation takes. When you are ready, click the play button in the top toolbar to open Presentation View and preview exactly how it will feel to your users. Now let's set up scrolling and overflow. Scrolling is ideal when your content is larger than the visible frame. For vertical scrolling, make sure the content is taller than the top-level frame. Select that frame, go to the Prototype tab, and under Scroll Behavior change Overflow to Vertical. Preview with the play button to confirm it scrolls as expected. For horizontal scrolling, useful for carousels or sliders. Place items inside a frame, resize that frame so it's narrower than its contents, and in the Design tab check Clip Content to hide the overflow. Then select the frame, return to the Prototype tab, and set Overflow to Horizontal. Preview again to validate the scroll. Finally, control elements that stay visible as users move. Fixed items remain in place during scroll, while sticky items move until they reach the top and then hold. Select the object, open the Prototype tab and adjust the position drop-down under Scroll Behavior to fixed or sticky, based on your layout needs. Thanks for watching.